for?
She's sad.
Are you sad about the bird? Honey. Honey, pumpkin. De bird, het vogeltje dat ze hadden gevonden, het was dood. En ze hebben het gevonden, ze hebben het net begraven. Dus nu is Sephoortje heel erg zielig. Aan het huilen. It's okay, baby doll. It's okay.
You didn't even get to name it, did you, Sephora?
No.
You want to name the bird?
Yeah.
What would you like to name it?
Love.
Love? That's a beautiful name for a bird.
Love? You want to call it Love?
It's
We wanted to keep it.
For what?
Honey?
Papa.
Alex, go sit next to, behind Mama, over there, and tell me about the bird,
Put
okay?
right there, Papa.
No, I'm gonna hold it.
Papa, put right there.
I said no.
Papa, put it.
Tell us about the bird, Alex.
Mother,
Look at me.
us are gone, and Mother come here, and Mother Mouse bird dead.
What's the monster's name?
Fire.
The monster's name is Fire?
Yeah, fire guy.
The Fire Guy. Wow.
Fire guy is our get dead our bird.
That's Sephora,
And
sweetheart.
bird dead.
Honey, it's in heaven now. It's
No,
okay. The birdie is okay.
Us are
Guess
gone.
who's, maybe Grandpa's taking care of it
Is
now.
Grandpa taking care of it? And Oma Yopi and
And
Opa
our
Nini?
Papa fire gone. Papa, fire
Oh, that's right, Alex.
gone.
Say goodbye.
Say bye-bye.
Goodbye.